Oh, well, hello there. So I thought I would do this May 15, Mother's Day is what the name of this painting is. Demonstration video. This is 3 inches by 4 inches. Trying to find out where I put it so I can read this. And it's acrylic. And I painted it on Mother's Day, but it's actually May the 15th painting in my May 2022 flowers collection. So this was actually started out to be a thumbnail, although I'll list it for sale on eBay as a dollhouse artwork probably. And then I just decided to do it on this hot pink acrylic background that I had prepared, a while ago. So I started out in gouache, but I had just waxed a little artist trading card, and so I had Dorland's wax on my fingers, and the gouache wouldn't stick to the watercolor paper, and so I decided to paint with gouache, and so that's what's going on here. And like I said, this is a thumbnail for the bigger picture painting. I really like the way it came out though. So what I had in mind was to, I love these colors, so that I had that in mind. And then there's a painting that I like, and it's got a similar vase from another artist, which, so that was kind of inspiring the vase. You wouldn't be able to tell because obviously I'm not as good of a painter as her, and it doesn't look that close to what she's got, but it still comes out cute. So just working on really bright colors in this collection and contrast, and patterns. I love patterns. So, and I love this pattern. I think it's like one of my favorite because it's so simple and I just like the way it looks. So things that you won't see at the end of this video that I did off camera were that I ended up putting some light blue accents in, and I signed it, and I also did a little outlining with a black pen, Signo 207 waterproof pen, and then I also put some white acrylic dots. So hey, thanks for checking out my art. Happy Mother's Day. See you later. Bye.